welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. You know the whole spill. So today's video, once again, is going to be a cash envelope stuffing. I love that you love the other video that I put up of Paycheck 1 cash envelope stuffing. And right now we're doing Paycheck 2. Okay, so if you like this already and you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I see you. That video, the last video, it's almost at, 800 views, 1,000 views. Now, let's correlate that numbers to subscribers. And let's do that whole subscriber and viewers count go up, But I appreciate those that do watch. You might hear a few beepings in the background. I'm sorry. I can't control that. I don't know how to fix it. But I try my best to edit it out as much as I can. So if you didn't notice, I did my nails. We'll talk about that later. But yes, I did my nails. So happy. Cool. This was my thumbnail setup, and I'm going to put this away. As you know, this is my cash envelope wallet that I use on a day-to-day basis. I got this on Etsy. That will also be linked down below if you are interested. I don't know if she has it in stock right now, but nonetheless, I'll have the shop down below. It's nice, it's cool, it's a very simple wallet. It has the rings I need, and so on and so forth. I'll get more into it when I open this. But as most of you guys know, I do a cash-based budget. Obviously, with all this cash here, obviously. But I do a zero-based budget as well. So every amount of money that I touch goes to something. So this is the setup. These are the stickers that I use to achieve my cash-based budget. And these stickers are by yours truly. Thank you for those that are shopping. Thank you for those that are discovering my channel, because my Etsy shop, because of my channel. I really appreciate it. Let's keep this going and, put in some orders in. I'm very fast with the shipping because it's a new shop, and my prices are still low because I'm a new shop. Still figuring out pricing range and all of that. The one that I will be selling, the colors will be more vibrant, more this, more that. I will do a video on my releases because I do have some releases that are happening September. Like every day of September, I will have a listing up. So be in store, because what? That's 30 days? That's what? Yeah, it's 30 days of listing. 30 days. So 30 listing, 30 new things that will be up on my Etsy shop will be at your disposal. Come on. And the highest I go for my stickers are $5, and $5 will get you a lot of things. $5 will get you 3 paychecks worth of stickers. So this right here, what I've used, 3 of those. $5. Come on. Where are you gonna get that at? Where? Anyways, let's go on to this video. This is basically what I'm going to be looking at to make sure that I am on track, as well as my little tiny cheat sheet of the denominations that I will put in each envelopes. If you want a video on how do I make my paper sheet, my bank note, as I call it, when I go take out my cash from the banker, I have to go to the teller, obviously, because I need the right denominations, the right amount, and all of that. So if you want to see a video on how I personally do it, I will get that to you. You don't got to worry about that. But before I start, let's take a little break. Let's make this quick, y'all. I know y'all trying to go watch my cash envelope stuff and videos. I know. But I wanted to introduce you guys to this item right here. So I've been using this for a couple of months now. The company reached out to me and they asked me to, do a review, non-paid review on this product. And I agreed to it because you know why? My channel is about the beauty, the budget, and the adventure. And this one right here, it's both the beauty and the budget. This thing you can get for $28 using my coupon code, which is MyDancing. Yes, my coupon code is MyDancing. Everything will be in the description box below. Every information on this product. This is actually battery operated. You can put it in the water. There, it comes with 4 heads. Two for your face, one for your, foot calluses or whatever, and one big one for your body. The big one is actually in my shower, so I'm not gonna go get it. Your girl has been using this, and it only comes with 1 mode, but it will not break the bank. Okay, it is not like the Clarisonic where you are paying $300 for something to clean your face. So I just wanted to bring this to you because it is something that my channel is about, beauty and budget. Even though you don't see the beauty aspect of my channel, and that's cool for now, but don't worry, it's coming. I just wanted to bring this to you guys to let you know that there is a cheaper alternative to a spin brush, and she's here. She is here. Don't forget to check the description. Everything will be there. So let's go back to the video that you came for. So, yes, right here, once again, my cash envelope wallet. It's kind of messy in here, so don't judge me. So we have this. There's nothing. Once again, y'all know I always empty this out. Me is empty. Us, I gave him the money for his 2K. So yeah, I got him 2K, so that savings is done. I did it with this paycheck. So I won't be stuffing it because it was electronically sent. And entertainment, empty. So this video will be a short one. So yeah, so let's start off. We are doing 30. Eating out. Oh, so I'm doing this video a little late. This is like a few days after paycheck period. So, I kind of used some money already. So what I had for eating out is gone. That's the raw truth of it all. Me is, I'm putting in 30. 30, actually, let me do this. 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is for my nails. I need to do them over. I'm not really fond of the shape. And then I gotta do my eyebrows tomorrow. Us already got its money digitally. Entertainment has nothing. See, we're already done. So this is it for my envelope, my wallet situation. That's taken care of. And then we're gonna go to sinking funds. And you know, I love me a good sinking fund. A very, very good sinking fund situation. So, now, we are stuffing Doctor. I used some for doctors already. So, I'm adding $24. So I'm taking a 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not that bad, not that shabby. So now I have 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have $50. Which is good because I do have a doctor's appointment soon, like in this week. So 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, just making sure I have a doctor's appointment this week. so I have to be prepared for co-pays and whatnot. Next, I have emergency fund, which I passed. I'm going to start, you know, writing this in order because going back and forth is a lot. Emergency fund, I feel like I funded emergency fund last pay period, but what happened was I had to dig into my sinking fund because I had an unbudgeted expense. I forgot I had a bill that was due that cycle, and I had to pay the bill, and I wasn't prepared to pay the bill, so I was upset, and it was a lot of money. But you know, that just makes me realize I have to pay close attention to my bills and what bills is going to go for what paycheck, if you get what I mean. I might actually try the color coding system where you color code the paychecks and all of that. I'll give a demonstration on that because I feel like I'm not explaining it right, but if you know what it is because you're in the budget community, you know what it is. Let me move this down. Emergency fund is getting 20, so $20. Then what's next? Emergency fund, MacBook, because I do want a MacBook. You guys know your girl needs a new MacBook. So I'm adding $10 to MacBook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's $14. I have been getting paid from, you know, Etsy and stuff, but it hasn't been a significant amount. You know, which, you know, it will be because, you know, y'all guys will be shopping. But when it does get to a reasonable amount, I'll do a video where I do a budget with me video with the income of online, if that makes sense. I can't wait to do that because I want to show other people that there's a possibility besides going to a 9-to-5 and only getting money from a 9-to-5. You can also get money from other places while working a 9-to-5, or if you're you know, a rebel. Not really a rebel. If your life is like that, you could just quit your 9-to-5, but I'm not like that. I just need my 9-to-5 and I need a little something on the side just because. I'm rambling, but anniversary is getting 10. I definitely had some money in anniversary that went towards the unexpected bill, so that was sad. Or was it Christmas? One of them. Travel. So I'm starting up this sinking fund again because you know me, I like to travel, and we need more of the adventure and the budget, the beauty and the adventure situation going on with my channel. It's getting 15. So yeah, so basically that's it. Wow, under 15 minutes. Well, wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I have been preaching this whole video, like, comment, and subscribe. You don't understand how much commenting, how much subscribing, how much liking a video can do to a channel. I saw it with the last video that I posted. I had more comments, more likes at the same time. Granted, like, I'll have more likes on other videos and less comments on that video that have more likes, but because it was both at the same time, YouTube push you when it's that, you know, that great. So keep liking, keep commenting. I love to have a conversation with you, because who am I having a conversation with if it's not y'all? So yeah, so I'll see you in the next cash envelope stuffing. Don't forget to check out the spin brush that I have mentioned in this video. Yeah, it's actually really good. I have no complaints about it. I will continue to use it because it comes with the body one that I can use on my body. Yeah, but all links, everything that you need will be in the description box. All right. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.